Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage subtitles on IMDb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage subtitles on IMDb. Maybe you're a person who doesn't prefer subtitles or captions on the screen, or maybe you're someone who prefers them, or maybe sometimes you watch movies while you have muted them so you want the subtitles so you can understand the movie, or it could be any other reason for you to manage subtitles on IMDb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the IMDb app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of movies and series and different bunch of stuff on our screen. Other than that, we have four options at the bottom. So you have to select this fourth option, which is you and similar to the icon of the profile. Once you tap on it, you will land into this page. There you will see bunch of options, and other than that you will also find this option which is similar to settings icon, this one. Just simply tap onto this option and you will land here. At the top you will see the title of settings and find many options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own specific task in this app. So from all these options you have to select this third option, which is video. You simply click on it and you will get here. First you will read the title of video and you will see three options. So here what we have to do is that we have to select this second option, which is subtitles and captions. Subtitles and captions are the written things that appears on the movies or series on the screen when you're watching them. So this is the dialogues that are narrated by the characters, it appears on the screen. So you have to select onto this option and there you will find three options. So for the first option says always on. If you select this option, then the subtitles will be on forever on your screen until you change it. And if you select the second option, in which if you have muted the video voice, then you will get subtitles if you have muted. Otherwise, you will not get any subtitles. And if you are a person who doesn't prefer subtitles, then you can go with the third option, which in the subtitles will be turned off. And once you're done with all these things, just simply click on save and subtitles will be managed according to what you have selected. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage subtitles on IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.